Our Jamaican teachers are dominating those school settings. Our Jamaican students, I have seen students in Jamaica who are operating at a 50 or a 40 or a 60 average come to these first world country and become top student in the school, not just their class, but top student in their school, in the schools. And that to me shows you are resilient and shows you that we have more than just music and sports to offer to the world. We can compete on a global level with anything that you can name. Intellect, sports, medicine, education, health, tourism, music. We can compete. And we have proven this over and over and time again.